Hey creators, a couple weeks ago we launched what is probably our biggest update in a year full of new releases for creators, and that is the new web page builder feature inside Heights platform. So I'm going to show you how you can now build your entire public website using Heights platform and a little bit about how this feature works. To build a new web page inside your Heights platform account, go to the web pages area in your creator dashboard. Once you're in your web pages area, you can go ahead and create a new page. When creating your page, you'll be able to choose a template from our growing library of free templates for your business. What's unique here is you're not set into picking a specific theme. So you might have one design for one of your pages and then create a completely unique design to use for another kind of funnel or sales page as part of your site. Once you choose a template, you're taken into the new web page builder where you can easily adjust text, edit your images, and change the colors of elements on your page. You can easily copy and rearrange sections that you like to edit your page visually without any HTML or CSS. And you can choose from the available blocks to quickly add new elements to design your page. We've made it easy to add things like countdown timers, animations, and links to your checkout pages without any custom code or complex plugins. After you're done editing your page, simply click Save, and then you can preview it exactly as your visitors will see it, complete with animations as the page loads and scrolls. When your page is ready to go live, simply head over to the page settings and click Publish. Here you can also set your page URL, page title tag, and meta description. As you build more pages for your site, you can head over to the new navigation tab where you can adjust your site and footer menu to add as many links as you need to all of the pages you've created. Here you can easily add a link to either a new site page, bundle, course, digital product, blog, or a custom link inside your site. You can drag and drop these links to have them appear in the order that you want on your navigation. We're still focused on making Heights platform the best tool for creators to share their knowledge and get their students results. And this new web page builder feature is going to help creators like yourself go and better promote your courses, programs, communities, and everything that you have to offer. I realize that this is a very complex feature, so as always, if you have any questions, please reach out to our team at support@heightsplatform.com.